Did you eat your sandwich I put in there for you? Let me see it. See the other one's checking it out. She's still. Is it a table?
Yeah. No.
And share where we're going.
Is Panera Bread or altitude?
Altitude.
Altitude?
We're going to Panera Bread. Let's figure this out. Wait, Nashira. Wait, Nashira. I'm coming.
Oh yeah.
You guys want to go? Oh.
Come on, Ariel.
Down.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Oh my God, that's so crazy.
Oh my God, I'm recording. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Well, there. Okay. Wait, I'm not gonna go down. Hold on. Okay. Don't push me. Don't push me, girl. Okay, whatever. Oh my God. Wait, hold on. Whoa. Wait, guys. I need to go back up. I forgot to scream my phone. Wait, I need to redo it. I accidentally forgot to show.
Independent, you don't need anybody to help you. Oh, that's true. Yeah. Thank you. How do you lift it up again? Like from the... Oh, you just lift it up? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh no, I just wanted to make sure how you lift it up so from the window shield. Awesome.